How to see password in Outlook mobile application. Now in this quick video, I'll show you a method for you to be able to see your password by using the Outlook mobile app. So first is of course open up the application and make sure that you're already logged in into your Outlook account. Now tap on the Google icon at the top left, and then from here you just have to head straight into the gear icon that will redirect you into your account settings at the lower left. Now from here, scroll down and then under General, choose on Accounts and tap on your current account that is currently logged in. So this is where you can tweak around the password that you set up that will look something like this. And then if you have activated Device Administrator, this is going to be the settings that you will see. It's either you can remove the account or set a new password. And that is how you see password in Outlook mobile app.